Linda, Service Manager of Insight Vision.
Yep.
Today we have a unit that came in. It's pretty dirty inside the spring and the camera. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to clean that. First you want to take everything off the connector so you can unscrew the camera. Take the spring off the back.
Yeah.
You're going to pull out one lanyard at a time, or your wire ropes.
Okay.
Pull your sonde back.
Yep.
Loosen your connector.
Okay.
And it's now free.
Screwdriver.
Best way to clean your spring out, take a bottle brush, soap and water, clean it out. Wet rag, soap and water to clean your sonde.